Our chest freezer, first off the overall dimensions. From left to right, we have a length of 25 inches, a depth of 21.25 inches, and a height 33.5 inches tall. Also included will be a thermometer. Included will be a removable basket, and the measurements for the basket will include 7.25 inches in length, 16.25 inches in depth, by 7 inches in height. Interior dimensions for the chest freezer will include 20.5 inches in length by 16.75 inches in depth. In height, we have 27.5 inches tall. Please note that there will be a step. Basket can be removed and inserted back onto the frame. Coming to the bottom right corner is the operational switch, along with the indicators for power and run. And on the left side is a plug for your drain. Coming to the back of the chest freezer will be the SA certification sticker, along with the 110/120 voltage plug. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this product.